Welcome to Gardener Gone Wild, and we've got some news for you. Addy, so far, has a nest full of 8 babies. And there they are. Beautiful babies. 8 so far, but I could count. Yes, 8. What a clever baby. What a clever girl to have all those babies. And there's probably still more to come. Look at them. Fighting already. Aren't they lovely? Let's see, 2. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What, 7 or 8? It's just a mass of babies in there. Good girl, Addy. Who's a good girl? Done a good job there. Look at them. They are so beautiful. Well, after that false alarm, it wasn't really a false alarm, was it? Hey? I think there might be 7 so far. Look at them all. You're still fighting for places. Hey, what a good girl. What a good girl. Got all those babies. All those babies. What a mess of babies. Right, I'll leave you to it, Miss Addy. Good girl. Well, Mr. Duck, you're a dad again. What do you think of that? Is that pretty good? Oh, look at that mucky water. Little Miss Addy just came out for a feed and a bath and pooed in the bath water. So I've got to go and clean that up now. Hey, Mr. Duck, because you don't want to go swimming in that. So Mr. Duck is a dad again. So far, I think 7 babies in that lot, with more eggs to hatch, I expect. And of course, his 6 other monsters with Evie. Hey, you and your nature's wonders. Yes? Oh my goodness. What a handful we have. Well, I suppose that's a goodbye from me and Mr. Duck on this episode of Gardener Gone Wild, the Addy's Baby Saga. So please like, subscribe and leave us a comment, because we'd love to hear from you. And please remember that animals are here with us and not for us, because animals are not food. They are friends. You do not eat your friends, do you? You don't wear them or anything like that. So please check us. Gardener Gone Wild, and tomorrow night the gardener will be back from his travels. So what an exciting day and exciting news for him. So bye for now.